To meditate means to be invited on a journey of looking deeply in order to touch our true nature and to recognize that nothing is lost. We can overcome fear. Non fear is the greatest gift of meditation. With it, we can overcome our grief and our sorrow. If we have lost someone and if we have cried so very much, please accept the invitation of the Buddha. Look deep and recognize the nature of your beloved in the nature of no birth, no death, no coming, no going. It is only because of our misunderstanding that we think the person we love no longer exists after they pass away. This is because we are attached to one of the forms, one of the many manifestations of that person. The person we love is still there. He is around us, with us, and smiling at us. What is the home of a wave? The home of the wave is all the other waves, and the home of the wave is water. If we are a wave, if the wave is capable of touching himself and the other waves very deeply, he will realize that it is made of water. We are being aware that he is water. He transcends all dimensions, sorrows, and fears. A person who does not have anything to believe in is without energy. When you have the energy of faith in you, your step becomes firmer. Your look becomes brighter. You are ready to love, to understand, to help, and to work. A person who does not have anything to believe in is without energy. There are those who are so discouraged that they no longer have the courage to love. They suffer a great deal just because they made an attempt to love and failed. The wounds within them are so deep that it makes them afraid to try again. We are aware of the presence of these people among us, all around us. We have to bring them the message that love is possible. Our world desperately needs love. Faith is the outcome of your life. As faith continues to grow, you continue to get the energy because faith is also an energy like love. If we look deep into our nature of our love, we will also see our faith. What we have faith in us, when we have faith in us, we are no longer afraid of anything. When you have faith, you have a lot of energy. When you believe in something really good, true, and beautiful, you are very alive. If there is a distinction between true love and the kind of love you can only engender suffering and despair, the same can be said of faith. There is a kind of faith that sustains us and continues to give us strength and joy. Then there is a kind of faith that may disappear one morning or one evening and leave us completely lonely and lost. To meditate means to be invited on a journey of looking deeply in order to touch the true nature and to recognize that nothing is lost. The amount of happiness that you have depends on the amount of freedom that you have in your heart. The greatest freedoms are freedoms from regret, freedom from fear, freedom from anxiety, and freedom from sorrow. The greatest freedoms are the freedom from regret, the freedom from fear, the freedom from anxiety, and the freedom from sorrow. How very true. Only a free person can be a happy person. The end.